*** title, Embracing Freedom with AI. Experience the magic of AI and ChatGPT***. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. One area where AI has truly showcased its transformative potential is in enhancing our everyday experiences, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this AI magic. Unlocking new possibilities with AI. AI has unlocked a world of possibilities, empowering us to accomplish tasks more efficiently, make better decisions, and enhance our creativity. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to intelligent virtual assistants in our smartphones, AI has seamlessly integrated into our lives, making them more convenient and enjoyable. Experience the magic of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's advanced AI technology, is a prime example of how AI can enhance our interactions and experiences. With its natural language understanding capabilities, ChatGPT can engage in conversations, answer questions, provide recommendations, and even assist in creative endeavors like writing and brainstorming. How ChatGPT enhances freedom. 1. Instant assistance. ChatGPT is available 24/7, providing instant assistance whenever you need it. Whether you have a question, need advice, or simply want to chat, ChatGPT is there to lend a helping hand. 2. Personalized interactions. Through its ability to understand natural language, ChatGPT can personalize interactions based on your preferences and context. This ensures a more tailored and engaging experience for users. 3. Enhanced creativity. ChatGPT's ability to generate creative ideas and suggestions can help users break through creative blocks and explore new possibilities. Whether you're a writer, artist, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can inspire you to unleash your creativity. 4. Efficient problem solving. By tapping into vast amounts of knowledge, ChatGPT can quickly analyze complex problems and provide insightful solutions. This accelerates decision-making processes and enables users to overcome challenges more effectively. Embrace the future of AI. As we continue to embrace the potential of AI, it's clear that technologies like ChatGPT are reshaping the way we interact with machines and unlocking new levels of freedom and creativity. Whether you're seeking assistance, inspiration, or simply a friendly conversation, ChatGPT is here to enrich your experiences and help you navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Experience the magic of AI with ChatGPT and embark on a journey of limitless possibilities and freedom. Contact us now at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 for a free consultation. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।